If you're sending SMS and never sharing your contact card, you're missing two of the easiest wins in mobile marketing. Today, I'll show you how something as simple as a contact card can boost SMS performance and cut costs. I'm Steven, and I help Shopify marketers get the most out of Bloomreach. So here's the deal. When a subscriber saves your brand's contact card, two powerful things happen. First, your messages land in the No One Senders tab on iPhones. Second, link previews are enabled, making standard SMS feel more like MMS. That means better deliverability, more trust, and higher click-through rates, all without paying MMS rates. Let's talk setup. First, create your contact card, and if possible, use a bright logo to help your messages stand out. Pro tip: incentivize subscribers to save your card by offering VIP phone and email support. For this, you'll need to create a custom card on your Mac. Be sure to include your brand name and logo, marketing phone number and email, business address, and VIP contact info. Save and export the VCF file and upload it to Bloomreach. Link the contact card in your SMS welcome flow and prompt subscribers to save it with a message highlighting the value they'll receive. A simple prompt increases saves, and saves unlock performance. Now that your contact card is saved, your SMS messages can show link previews, giving you MMS-like engagement at SMS costs. Here's what you need for it to work. The link must be the last part of your message, and the destination needs a preview image or a video using the Open Graph tag. That's right, even an SMS can deliver video previews. So why does this matter? MMS messages cost significantly more to send. With one smart setup, you can reduce costs, boost trust, and increase performance. This turns every SMS into a moment that matters. If you want to learn more about how you can personalize every customer interaction using Shopify and Bloomreach, click the link in the description. I'm Steven, and I'll see you next time on Supercharged Shopify with Bloomreach.